This great kid shoe is ready for outdoor play in the summer. The upper is made with durable canvas, leather, and textile in a super fashionable design with that bright yellow color to make sure they're seen in low light situations. The lace-up is a reliable bungee cord with an adjustable hook and loop closure across the top to give it that perfect fit. There's a pull tab on the heel and the tongue to get this on a lot easier, and that inside lining is a very fast drying textile. The footbed in the bottom is a contoured arch support footbed that it has a lot of antimicrobial properties to keep it super healthy when they're out there playing. With that perforation, it's going to keep the airflow moving and any water draining right out as well. The front toe here has a wide toe bumper to help protect the shoe and their toe just that much more, and the outsole is a non-marking rubber with this reliable rubber tread pattern.